Oscar. My firm niggas told me hold your head and keep the flowing. You probably get the big break, niggas never knowing. My older heads told me hustle hard and bring the dough in. I started to hustle even harder as I started growing. My nigga Ant kept me on my feet and kept me writing. My cousin B kept me motivated when we siphoned. My brother Pop, who was locked, told me right and wrong. He part of this inspiration for me to write the song. My older sister used to tell me to wisen up, so I guess she part of the reason I'm fly as fuck. And see, you know she helped the kid form. On my B.I. Wiz, couldn't forget Storm. I did it big for everybody, cause everybody helped the kid do it big thanks to everybody. From the lovers, the haters, the discriminators, and congratulators, I'm getting paper. You know the boy from the block on the top, but when it never popped, I used to say I was fly. Now I'm getting guap and the kid never stopped doing the damn thing. That's why I remain hot, cause I'm that same guy that you met before. Never I'm gonna change, nah, that's for lame. Still doing the thing. Boy, when the clip remain hot, understand? Third verse, get 'em. You see the dealers and the killers be the ones who feel us. They like Ace, you the realest, plus you out the Skrilla. You spit it real from the heart about a nigga's struggle. And high staying on the grind is a nigga's hustle. Selling your soul for gold probably get you dope, but minus the friends, the shit'll only add foes. Cause them niggas that you used to fuck with will soon hate you, cause you sold out to get a buck quick. Not me, no, never ever. Trade on my hood for cheddar. I'm loyal to the streets, boy, no matter whatever. I was born there, raised there, plus got my game there. So I'm always say the same here. Ain't nothing changed but the range of my dividends and the wheels that I be whipping when I be switching lanes. Getting dames is a thing that I'm known doing. I move the units every day because the
sunlight,
you know the boy from the block on the top.
everything.
But when it never popped, I used to say I was fly.
You can see him.